Hold on. Hi guys, we're here on Altar. ¿Eh? Ajá, claro que sí. Ahí fue que se cayó un viejito y mira, vino todo el mundo. ¿Esta cuál es? Las seis por ahí. We're here on Altar. Altar 9, guys. This is Altar 9 here in Hazleton. We see that we have there's a house fire or a call for fire. Que si vive en esta casa, dice. Yeah, she lives in this house. He lives. You ask her if she lives in the house, right? Yes. She's more concerned about her phone, I guess. We are 684 Alta Street. We have multiple units of Hazleton Police Department taking care of the situation here. Oh my God. She gotta cover that little kid. It's cold outside, guys. It's what, about 17, 20 around? It's very cold, and I guess this family having problems in this house. So they should put this family in a van or something.
Tell me your number, Johnny.
See, this is when they have to use the ambulance to put these people inside a house, inside a van or something, because the temperatures are very, very cold, and now we have this family out, uh, and they probably were sleeping, and
Do you speak English? Yes. Can you say este hombre, lo que hay que hablar con este hombre que no tengo depósito para buscar casa, porque cada vez el mismo show, uno con los muchachos, cada vez con el mismo show. No, nosotros no queremos nada, ya no sonamos alarma. Okay.
él es el dueño de la casa. Él.
If they're okay, they don't want to go out. Okay. Okay, thank you.
We don't bring back. They'll give you for an Uber or a cab to bring you back.
Aunque le digan al dueño de la casa que arregle eso.
Not too much longer, honey, because we have other calls.
Esto trabajando de él, trabajo, tiene que estar en un dedo. La hora del trabajo se le pasa a uno. Ellos tienen que hablar con el dueño de la casa, que arregle eso, que le den los depósitos a uno para uno para casa.
Ya ha pasado otras veces.
Sí, ha pasado muchísimas veces. Muchísimas veces.
¿Y cómo se llama el dueño de la casa? Si quiere me da el nombre para yo ponerlo en la...
Él sabe, el gringo de Panamá.
El viejito este.
A ver, los viejos que no están aquí.
Guys, this lady said that this house has been having problems with this fire going off, prompting the fire department to show up in various occasions. And she's saying that the landlord is failing to fix the problem, and they being uh, stranded by this type of events. And right now they are outside with the kids, and as you can see, and they say that it's been happening, in numerous occasions. And ¿y qué es lo que ¿y qué es lo que hace que llama a los bomberos? Nada, usted no tiene fuego ahí ni nada. Porque se está prendiendo y apagando la luz ahí, parece que.
No, es un arbolito.
Oh, no, esta luz.
Ah, esa prende cuando viene gente.
Oh,
Esa prende y apaga.
okay. Let me see what they say over there. Can hardly hear anything. Oh, guys, it looks like it's a false alarm. And it's happening here, and this 682 Bartoli. He lives here, Bartoli. I guess that's this old man here. So I guess we need to put this landlord on check to see why is this building prompting the fire department to show up here. Is this a false alarm? That's what it is, a false alarm? Oh, carbonite. Oh, wow. But they saying that this happening more than one time already. The tenants.
20 parts, 25 parts, already parts, 35 parts. The higher up you go, the worse you get.
Yeah. All right, guys, this is a problem with carbon monoxide, which the tenants might not feel that there is a leak at the carbon monoxide, but that that can kill you, and then that'll put you to sleep right away, and you might feel sick, and
35 or 36 in the third floor. We're wondering if the chimney is bad, that it's leaking out of the chimney, because the higher up you go, the worse you get. Maybe it's not getting good draft.
yeah, I have a story guy about carbon monoxide poisoning. Uh, a friend of mine had a friend that it was taken to the hospital because uh, they they say that he was drunk. He was dizzy. He was talking nonsense, and that's because he was poisoned with carbon monoxide. And they sent him home because they claimed that he was drunk, but then he died, and it was proved to be poisoned by carbon monoxide. And this is a killer that it will come unnoticed, and they will kill you. And people think that they're just asleep, but it's because they're dead, because they show no pain or anything. They just send you to sleep, and that's it. So that's the problem this house is having with a carbon monoxide poisoning. And that's not good, guys, because this family have kids, and they have, you know, they tell them to put them in a car or something. ¿Ustedes, ustedes tienen algún carro o algo para que se caliente? No. Yo tengo el carro mío parqueado allá, si ustedes, para que miren, ese muchacho se les va a enfermar. Si ustedes quieren, yo les puedo prender el carro para que se manden. Lo que pasa es que es monóxido de carbono y eso los mata a ustedes.
Yo tengo una bichola puesta, yo tengo una estufa prendida con un arroz y una
Sí, lo que pasa es que el monóxido de carbono viene indetectable, solo las alarmas lo detectan. Ustedes no lo sienten, pero los está matando, ¿me entienden? Si quiere, vamos, yo les caliento el carro para que se estén ahí mientras tanto, porque ellos no van a dejarlas entrar todavía.
¿Y puedo entrar para la bichola?
No, usted no puede entrar a la casa. Yo, he's cold. That's his problem. He's just cold.
How are you?
Yeah.
Can you translate for me?
Yes.
Can you, if you guys stay on the first floor, you can go back in.
O si ustedes quieren estar en el primer piso, ustedes pueden entrar, pero no pueden ir al segundo ni al tercero. Yeah, because the kid is very cold. Yeah, it's very cold. Thank you.
Trying to make sure it was cleared out before.
Okay. All right. All right. Luckily, these people were allowed to be on the first floor because obviously you can see the kid is very, very cold. And guys, the temperatures are very, very, very dropping, or are dropping very, very quickly, and you can't allow this family to be outside in the cold with no, you know, preparation to be outside. I mean, luckily, they allow them to go inside. Si usted quiere, me deja el número del teléfono del landlord,
¿De qué?
del dueño de la casa. Usted lo tiene, usted tiene que tenerlo.
¿Que lo tiene?
Si quiere, me da la información que yo me pongo en contacto con él porque tiene que arreglar este problema porque eso los va a matar a ustedes.
Ajá.
Ese es el monóxido de carbono es un veneno que usted no lo detecta. Usted se pone bien, bien lenta, se va a dormir y nunca se despierta. Chequee envenenamiento por monóxido de carbono para que usted vea que si usted está en esta casa y está teniendo ese problema por más de una ocasión, usted corre peligro de que usted o alguno de su familia pueda morir envenenado con monóxido. Dame el número, yo hablo con él.
Alessandra, habla con él, mira, y dale el número del hombre, porque dígale ahora, esa es la hija mía.
Aló. Sí, usted puede apuntar el número del teléfono mío y me da la información del landlord para yo poder hablar con él.
Pero ¿y la persona que llamó a ustedes, por qué ella no se lo da?
No, yo no soy de ellos, yo soy yo estoy reportando para las noticias. Si quiere apunte el número mío.
Se me borró el número de usted, 570, dígame anotando.
No,
Que nada más sea la casa y la calle.
bueno, yo trato de editar el video, pero es importante que ustedes se pongan en contacto con...
Sí, pero no es obligatoriamente que ellos salgan, y más así como ellos están en pijama.
A ellos lo sacaron, a ellos lo sacaron a como estaban, ¿me entiendes?
Exacto, por eso.
Pero por eso es que yo grabo, ¿me entiendes? Porque a ellos los tuvieron afuera pasando frío, cosa que ellos tenemos nosotros que poner mano en el asunto.
Yo entiendo, pero es con un permiso que ustedes publican en persona, porque eso es ilegal.
No, mi amor.
Ustedes no pueden grabar a ellos así con los niños.
No, mientras nosotros estemos en área pública, nosotros podemos grabar todo lo que vemos.
Ok, está bien.
¿Está bien? Mientras estemos nosotros en área pública como aceras, calles, avenidas, parques. Mira, parece que le está entrando. Guys, I got this lady's number, but what she was complaining is that we're not allowed to record them while they are in public view. But this is what I want Hazleton residents. Let me see what they're saying over there.
The guy from that apartment went to the hospital because he didn't feel good.
Oh, the gentleman went to the hospital? Okay, that's good. That's the best way because you don't know when you have poisoning.
So he's going to go there and they'll do blood tests and see if he has high reading in his blood.
Right.
But
like I was explaining to them, you might not feel that you are being poisoned.
he said he has a headache.
He had a headache, yeah. Well, he might.
But his bedroom's right above the boiler.
Yeah.
So he could be sleeping all night.
That's why I say I had a friend that died for poisoning, and they took him to the hospital and they said that he was drunk. He was sent back to the house and he died. for mono.
You
Yeah,
didn't do a blood test on him then, right?
yeah. I guess the hospital back then, 1998,
Yeah.
they didn't do much, but that's a problem that we need to, I guess, talk to the owner of this house if they've been having problems.
Yeah. Well, that's what we think the chimney might be bad because it's like 20 parts per million, 25, 35,
Yeah,
36. As you go up, it's getting worse.
right,
So
right, right.
you're not getting a good draft. There's something wrong with the chimney because why would you if he's higher
And
up?
it's more on this side,
Well, the chimney's right here inside the wall.
so it gotta be the chimney then.
Yeah.
Needs to be cleaning, or might be.
Or I don't think it's blocked because you can see the damper moving in the pipe, but something wrong. Maybe
Yeah.
the mortar's bad. Like the mortar joint in the chimney like this, maybe it's bad and it's seeping in the building.
Yeah, or maybe a cat or something got stuck in there. You never know. Maybe in the ventilation.
Something wrong.
Right. I like to get the name of the landlord. Maybe we can
Stecker will say it's muted, but I don't know.
because I mean if it happened more than once.
He just had a guy here and he put a new worm in the boiler and checked it out. He said it was running good, but I don't think he checked the chimney.
Yeah, and that's the chimney the problem. Well,
He's
look.
on his way, landlord.
Oh, the landlord's on his way. Okay,
We're waiting.
okay. Maybe I can get him on video. Maybe he have more properties because there's a lot of people that have a lot of properties
He don't do nothing.
and they know nothing. I know a lot of them.
It's like the money.
Yeah, I live in a place where the guy had 56 properties, and the place was a shithole. You know, there's a guy here on 17th Street. They got like 50 properties too, and every time they rent, they just rent the properties the way that the prior tenant left it, and then you like they work with you. Oh yeah, we charge you a month of rent or whatever.
Yeah.
We take a month of rent and then you fix it. But then a lot of people don't fix it and the property keep going worse and worse.
They just keep making more and more money.
Yeah, they don't care about the tenants and the prices that the rent is in this town.
$1,000.
It's like it's starting to be like New York.
We're shipping towards zero. So the third floor smells like 5 in my pack. Got knobs on it. We want that. So we opened all the windows up, and now it's down to 0. He has one room that's at 5 right now. But the rest of the building is 0 right now.
And because of the doors open.
Yeah, notice the windows open. But you're going to have to do something with the boiler, otherwise it's going to keep happening. Because it's cold.
Yeah. Well, maybe that's the landlord right there. Oh no, probably not.
No.
I think that's one of the family relatives. I see that. See, everybody's happy today, man.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, man. Yeah. See, this is 3 apartments in this building. It's 3 apartments on this building, and these landlords failing to take care of the problem. And it's not fair, guys, that you pay rent on time, that you pay high rent prices, and you have to live in a constant danger of being poisoned by carbon monoxide. No good, guys. We need to address the problem right from the beginning. That way we don't. And we're gonna we're gonna put this property for people that might be thinking of renting. Make sure they check with the fire department. Make sure that they don't have issues with properties like this, because this family on the 684, uh, they are saying that they just want the deposit for the rent because they want to move out of here. And I bet any money that this owner is not gonna take care of the problem. And he's gonna keep renting this property the way it is without fixing anything in there. And obviously there is something to be fixed because the fire department keep showing up here for poisoning or for detection of carbon monoxide. Ronnie Minnick. Okay.
That's what they said is the owner here.
Yeah, because Tom
Yeah,
has.
it's not a Verkusky building. No.
Yeah, he was trying to get in there. I said, like, maybe he was trying to park. But yeah, this is the problem when they start getting too many properties and they start failing on their maintenance.
You can't maintain when you get too many.
No.
Or
You have to rely on
money
somebody.
hungry.
Yeah, money hungry.
Mm-hmm.
They don't let anybody else take care of the business. They keep buying and buying too.
Sorry, I'm just Thanks, guys. What's up, guys? What's up? I guess there's car went outside. I don't understand that. Johnny Doyle just came and redid that whole furnace. And hello? I'm good, how are you? I did call. You're taking this money. I don't know what else I can do for you. He said, you sealed the whole furnace, you put it in brand new water, you put everything in there. He said, I would. Well, I don't know, this is no life from the last time. I must have tried calling 5 or 6 different things. Look, I just really had to know anybody who's like it. I can't find anybody who's done it. Every call I make, either the phone picks up their phone with, or they don't answer, they're out of business. I don't know anybody who does it. Yeah, I honestly, I have no problem getting it. I want to get it. Anyway, I'm just calling this building in my life. I own it. I, I called that. He said, well, we're at 68, the message on the receipt says we're at 68 weeks. So can I ask you what you're doing? You're taking what? What? Go ahead.
Obviously, I'm with a camera. I'm filming.
So the last time this happened, you need a number right now. Yeah, I called 6 to 18 calls.
See how he's trying to hide, guys. Watch.
Yeah, just got off the phone with Johnny Doyle. Johnny Doyle said,
Because he's trying to hide. He can't hide anymore. His picture is being all over already. People ask, from I ask you, what are you doing? Of course, I have a cell phone pointing at you. I am recording. I'm not talking on the phone with my phone pointing at you. See, guys, keep saying, guys, even people that are older, not young kids, people that are older should know about our laws and rights, and what we allow it not to do. But he keep hiding. His name is Manic. He's gonna display his name, and I have nothing against the guy. I mean, if there's a problem that if there's a problem that he's been having, I mean, it's not his fault. He does. He doesn't have to act the way he's acting towards the camera, because that is only gonna make him look even worse. So you guys need to understand, every time you see somebody pointing a camera of mass destruction, that's what we call this, camera of mass destruction. Try not to interact in the ugly way, because you guys are gonna look even worse than you're looking right now. And I'm not even, look, guys, I'm not even on the sidewalk. I'm on the road, and I give these guys 10, maybe 12 feet of distance for them to talk whatever they need to talk. They don't wanna they don't want my conversation, their conversation, to be in my video. I give them a nice distance, guys, and I've been respectful. I'm not talking to the guy back. I'm just uh, letting him be with his ignorance, because I keep always saying we have the right to record, guys. And unfortunately, anytime that you guys are in public, you're subject to be recorded. There is no expectation of privacy in public. Unbelievable. I am believable. Guys, this fire crew put this truck here because it was like in the middle, in between the alley and the Alta Street, and they backed it in. That way, people can see from Alta Street that the road is blocked, and these guys just trying to get through here. Even seeing the truck blocking, unbelievable. All right, guys, this is a wrap out here. Everything is good to go. We have the fire department take care of the problem and issuing the necessary warnings to this property owner. Hopefully, he'll fix the problem and get this family taken care. Uh, these tenants pay rent, and they are going through some tough time with this gentleman here, which has says that he took care of the problem, but we'll see. We're gonna keep up with these guys. Take care. Thank you guys for watching. And from here, from Ninth and Alder Street, I'll see you on my next video.